How to send USDT from Binance to Quotex. Hey guys, today I will show you how to send USDT from Binance to Quotex. Let's get this done properly. First, open your Quotex app and log in. Navigate to the deposit section by clicking the appropriate button at the bottom corner. Scroll through the deposit methods until you find cryptocurrency options. Then locate USDT ERC20 and select it. You'll notice the minimum deposit is $10. Enter exactly how much you want to deposit. I'll use $10 as an example. After entering your amount, scroll down and click Deposit. A new screen will appear showing your USDT ERC20 address. This is what you need to copy. Double check that it specifies TRC20 network, as this is critical for successful transfer. Now open your Binance app and log in. Go to Assets, find USDT in your balance list and click Send. Select Chain Withdraw option, then choose USDT from the cryptocurrency list. Paste the Quotex address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Here's where many people go wrong. You must select TRC20 as your network in Binance to match what Quotex requires. Now for the amount, if you enter exactly $10, Binance will deduct transaction fees, meaning Quotex receives less than $10. To ensure Quotex gets the full $10, you need to send $11 for the deposit plus $1 for fees. So enter 11 in the amount field. Verified everything carefully. Address, network, TRC20 and amount 11 in the amount field. Verified everything carefully. Address, network, TRC20 and amount 11 to ensure $10 arrives. When confident, click withdraw. You'll need to enter your security verification code. After submission, the transaction will process. In Cotex, you will see waiting for payment. Give it 510 minutes, then refresh. Your USDT should appear in your Cotex account shortly after. Please like and subscribe.